Hey, a quick video on how to achieve the long exposure waterfall effect on an iPhone. Okay, so first make sure the live photo option is selected at the top left. Take your photo, and when you open it in photos, you've got all the little video frames, so you just swipe up and select long exposure from the bottom right, and this will stack all the frames together from the live photo to create that blurred long exposure look. So I'm just going to swipe up again to show you long exposure. There you go, you can now export that and edit the colours.